tough and versatile, from the wide open spaces of farms, estates and golf courses to the confined areas of small holdings and market gardens. Ford compact tractors lead the field. Three-cylinder water-cooled diesel engines provide the power and the maneuverability, the performance and the strength to set new standards in Ford durability, quality and reliability. The styling is attractive and functional. The flip-up panel gives quick access to the fuel tank without raising the bonnet. On this middle-of-the-range 1710, fuel capacity is 29 litres. The bonnet tilts forward for easy and simple maintenance and servicing of the dry air cleaner and the battery. And the radiator is readily accessible. Engine oil capacity is 5.3 litres. Capacity of the hydraulic system, rear axle and transmission is 18 litres. The 26 horsepower 1710 has 12 forward and 4 reverse speeds. To achieve a straight fence line in any sort of country, the post-hole digger needs the 1710's powerful 23.5 PTO horsepower at maximum engine revs. The slow turning speed will grind into the most difficult and adverse conditions. For rotivating in the low and confined area of the greenhouse, the roll bar can be removed. The 1710 has a 2-speed live PTO, 540 and 750 revs per minute, and Category 1 3-point linkage. The rugged 26 horsepower diesel engine of the 1710 makes for easy ploughing in the toughest conditions. The 1710 is equipped with draft and position control hydraulics to cope easily and efficiently with all soil engaging implements and other mounted equipment. Top of the range, the 32 horsepower 1910. Like the other Ford compact tractors, it has the same ease of day-to-day maintenance. The quiet cab is an optional extra, allowing the driver to work in all weather conditions in a noise level of only 85 decibels. This stylish and comfortable safety cab allows quick exit and entry, and the controls are adapted to suit all drivers. Standard is the deluxe cushioned seat with scissors action suspension, and both doors are lockable. A small dish-type steering wheel and wide tinted window area for maximum visibility. Both the 1910 and the 1710 offer the flexibility of the quickly detachable roll bar. The big 32 horsepower 3-cylinder diesel engine of the 1910 is solid and reliable with any implement under most conditions. When maximum wheel grip is required, a single lever switches the tractor from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive is an optional extra on the 1710 and the 1910. The most popular lightweight compact tractor is the Ford 1210, 16 horsepower with manual 10 forward and 2 reverse gears. The 184mm diameter long life clutch is designed for continuous high torque application and durability. The 10 well-spaced forward gear ratios offer a range of speeds from 1 kilometre to 16 kilometres per hour. The 1210 with a transport box. And with a light trailer. Market gardens, local authority parks and nurseries all make use of the 1210's light haulage potential. The 3-cylinder lightweight 1210 compact tractor offers 16 horsepower, just the power to tackle deep subsoiling. A simple implement changeover and back to work. Back into the narrow and confined working area. Position control hydraulics permits a controlled working depth, and the result, a uniform seedbed. The short width and the low height of the 1210 makes it ideal for working in orchards, vineyards and soft fruit farms. Ground clearance is 263mm. An optional dual-range hydrostatic transmission is available, which gives infinitely variable speeds in forward or reverse. The speeds can be set for continuous forward travel or controlled independently by a two-way foot pedal, without using the clutch and without disengaging the PTO. Mowing on a bigger scale, an 8-gang operation. The already popular 50 horsepower 335 highway tractor is used by many local authorities. The 1910 compact tractor is fitted with big wide profile turf tires for low ground pressure. The 28.5 PTO horsepower on the 1910 makes it compatible with today's wide range of hydraulically operated and trailed mowing equipment. The turning radius on the 1210 is 2.2 meters without brakes, allowing tight maneuvering without damage to the turf. 10x2 forward and reverse gearbox on the hydrostatic transmission allows the driver of the 1210 to maintain just the right speed for the correct rate of chemical application. The 1210 equipped as a front loader and backhoe, digging to a depth of 2.5 meters. The powerful Ford hydraulics with a pump capacity of 16.2 litres per minute provides the power to tackle the steers clay. This turf cutter is tapped into the hydraulic system of the 1210, getting all the power needed to drive any machinery requiring remote hydraulic operation, a typical example of the compact tractor's versatility. They're called compact tractors, but don't underestimate them. The Ford 1210, 1710 and 1910 are equipped with 3-cylinder diesel engines with 10 or 12-speed transmissions or the optional hydrostatic transmission available on the 1210. Power takeoff up to 28.5 horsepower. Live hydraulics with high-capacity 3-point linkage. A rugged double reduction final drive system and adjustable suspension-type seats. Both driver and machine can put in a long day's work with maximum output. The Ford compact tractors handle the widest range of specialized equipment for every operation in grass maintenance, on small holdings, local authority nurseries and parks, market gardens, on the golf course and on the sports ground. Wherever there's a need for durability, reliability and quality, power-packed into a small machine, the Ford compact tractor will make light work of all jobs. Like all Ford tractors, the 1210, the 1710 and the 1910 models are built to be relied on.